Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Think butter chicken is just restaurant food? Wait till you taste this homemade magic. Rich, creamy, and better than takeaway. Stick around because once you try this recipe, there's no going back. For preparing the butter chicken, I am doing two marination. For the first marination, mix the chicken pieces with ginger garlic paste, salt, red chili powder and lemon juice. Marinate for 30 minutes. For the second marination, I am preparing the yogurt mixture. In a separate bowl, combine mustard oil, red chili powder, coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, turmeric powder, Kasoori methi powder, Garam masala, hung curd, salt and ginger garlic paste. Whisk well. Coat the marinated chicken with this yogurt mixture. Allow it to marinate for 5 to 6 hours or overnight to allow the flavors to develop. To give the smoke or a charcoal effect, heat few pieces of charcoal on an open flame till red hot. Then place it in the bowl. Now add a tablespoon of butter or oil and few cloves. As soon as you start smoking, cover the pan with a lid. Smoke it for few minutes. For cooking chicken in a frying pan, heat oil and butter in a pan over medium heat. Add the marinated chicken pieces to the pan and cook until they are browned and cooked thoroughly. Set the cooked chicken aside. In a separate pan, add oil and butter. Now add shahi jeera, bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, javitri and cardamom. Let them sizzle. Add roughly chopped onions and saute for few seconds. Next add roughly chopped garlic and ginger and let it cook for a minute, stirring so it does not burn. I've soaked Kashmiri chilies in hot water. Add Kashmiri chilies and saute until they turn translucent. About 5 to 7 minutes. Don't allow onions to brown. Add roughly chopped tomatoes and salt. Saute for few seconds. Now add cashews and coriander leaves and stem. Mix well. Add cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, turmeric, red chili powder. Mix well and continue to cook for 10 minutes until tomatoes are soft and pulpy. Add 1 cup of hot water and salt. Mix well. Now cover and cook for 15 minutes. Remove from the heat and let the sauce cool down a bit. Discard the whole spices. Now transfer the mixture into a blender. Blend until smooth. Strain this blended mixture through a sieve till every last bit of the gravy passes through to give you a smooth, seamless, velvety gravy. Here I am using the same pot which I fried the chicken. Heat oil and butter. Add ginger julienne and saute for few seconds. Next add red chili powder and cook for few seconds. Pour the prepared butter chicken gravy and mix well. Add water to adjust the consistency. Cook till it starts to boil. Add the fried chicken. Mix well. Now add salt. Mix it well and cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Finally add roasted Kasoori methi powder, coriander leaves, honey or sugar. Mix well. Add fresh cream and butter. Now cover and cook for a minute so all the flavor can combine well. Garnish it with more butter fresh cream and ginger juliennes. Tried it, loved it. Then don't keep it a secret. Share the love and subscribe for more irresistible recipes.